I wanted to share with you some things that I purchased and some things that I've just kind of purchased over time and some things that I replenish often just to make my home and make my skincare experience that more welcoming, that more inviting. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a new subscriber, a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad to have all of you here today. So today's video is going to be about things that I have in my home that upgrade my skincare home spa experience. So let's get right into it. The first thing that I have that really upgrades my at-home experience is a facial steamer. So it's kind of large, but I'll hold it up. So this is my facial steamer right here. I love this thing, okay? I really do. And you know, sometimes when you're busy and you know you're trying to get things done, you're like, I feel like pulling all that stuff out. And I'm just telling you, it's worth it. Go the extra mile. Your skin will thank you. And then afterwards, you'll just feel so great about it and you'll feel much more zen, much more relaxed. So go ahead and do it. I love my facial steamer. I love using it. I love how my skin feels after. So yeah, go ahead and invest in a facial steamer. Your skin will thank you. It doesn't have to be as large as mine. In fact, this was gifted to me and I really like it. I really use it. I really appreciate it. But prior to that, I was just using the facial steamer like this. And it still does the job as well. So, and you can find these on Amazon, or you know, if you shop in like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and those stores, you can find them in there as well. The next thing that I have that I just feel elevates my skincare experience is my Foreo. I love this thing. I love that you don't have to charge it often, because a lot of times with, you know, battery operated products or just, you know, electronic products, you don't want to be like, oh, I'm ready to use it, but then I have to get a battery, or now I have to charge it. The charge on this lasts forever. I love it I don't carry it with me when I'm traveling, but I love it for at home, for like really getting in there and removing my makeup. It just, I love this. It's such an experience. I really like it. It was something that I was, you know, back and forth about whether or not I wanted to invest in it. I've had different skincare brushes in the past, such as the Clarisonic, when that was really popular. But the thing with the Clarisonic is, you know, you have to replace the brushes, you know, so that they stay sanitary and things like that. With this, because it is the silicone, you can wash it and it's less likely to trap bacteria and stuff. So I really love that about this. And then once you purchase the product, you're not repurchasing your accessories to go along with it. The next thing that I have, and I'll pop a picture up on the screen because obviously I'm not gonna bring it in here, but I have a skincare fridge. Yes, this was a gift as well, and this was something that I was going to invest in for myself, but hubby gifted it to me, so thanks hubby, and I just love it. I love it for putting my serums and things like that inside, because prior to that, I was putting it in the regular refrigerator, but he saw that, you know, that's something that I would like, and he got it for me, and I do appreciate it. So I love keeping, like I said, my serums in there, and it just gives like a nice cooling effect. Also, you know, your mask and stuff, it's really a great investment. And now they have so many different kinds that, you know, it's really not a big ask, or it really doesn't cost as much as they did when they first came out. So yeah, go ahead and invest in a mini skincare. The next thing that I have purchased over and over again to upgrade my experience at home for spa night, or when I'm doing a facial, is the Indian Healing Clay mask. This was all the rave, you know, years and years ago, and oh my goodness, I love this mask. When I first started using it, I would mix it with water, but they recommend that you either use water or apple cider vinegar. More recently, I started using apple cider vinegar, and I love, you know, mixing it up and using it on my skin. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. I haven't tried it on my hair yet. But you know, it says you can use it on your hair. So I haven't tried it there yet, but I really love this stuff. So yes, this is something that I really enjoy and that I feel just upgrades my skincare, my at-home spa experience. The next thing that I repurchased and I enjoy using is bio oil. I love bio oil for, you know, its properties of just, you know, evening out your skin tone, because with me personally, I have eczema and I've dealt with eczema all my life. Thankfully, thank God, I don't have it as bad as I used to, because I used to have it really bad on my face, on my neck, and on my arms. It was, let's struggle. You know, I was looking like a raccoon out here, but I don't have those problems anymore. But I really enjoy the bio oil, especially for like my legs and my heels and like my knees and my elbows. I really love this stuff. So bio oil is something that I feel upgrades my at-home spa experience. Another thing that I enjoyed is my facial mask. So this one is a recent purchase of mine, but it's the Neutrogena Hydro Mask. I love their Hydro Jelly Moisturizer, but the facial mask, I usually get like one if I see them and like Sephora and stuff, like the Sephora brand one. But I saw this one by Neutrogena and wanted to try it out, and I'm so excited to try this. But I love a good sheet mask, and I feel like that upgrades your at-home spa experience, because it just elevates. Another thing, I didn't bring it in here with me, but is my Jade Roller. So I love using that with a sheet mask. It makes you feel like you're going to the spa. When everything happened in 2020, it was a lot going on. So you have to find ways to find some joy, find some, you know, excitement, something to do at home. And you know, I got into doing my nails. I really got into my skincare and really just developing and doing things. Ordered a bunch of stuff off Amazon that I may not have needed, but we won't talk about that, because I'm sure everyone's Amazon bill was crazy, you know, during those times. But I really like this, you know, a sheet mask. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one, but a sheet mask to upgrade my. The next thing I would say is my serums. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. I really love this one. This is by Art Naturals, but they do have another one by Good Molecules that I really like. I don't have that in here with me, but I really like that one, as well as their discoloration correcting serum. So I love serums. I feel like it just feels like you're going the extra mile to take care of you. So that's something that I really enjoy to upgrade my experience. Another thing is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I love this stuff. I use it at night before I go to sleep. It just makes your lips feel so hydrated and moisturized. I love using this on my clients when I do makeup. This is like my first step that I do. Okay, we're gonna hydrate your lips and prep you prior to your makeup application, so your lips can be getting some treatment while I'm doing your makeup, and then afterwards, you know, we can apply your lipstick, and the lipstick goes on like butter. It goes on so smooth. So yes, I love the Laneige mask, especially you know, the lip sleeping mask. And this is in the color, this is in the flavor berry. It smells amazing. Something else that I love is Epsom salt. I love using Epsom salt and taking Epsom salt baths. It's something that, you know, when I was younger, or I would say like, you know, teenagers and kids, you know, you joke and you hear older people say, oh, you know, I'm gonna go soak in Epsom salt. And I was just like, oh, I'm never gonna be that person, but I love, and I'll pop it up on the screen, the Dr. Teals Epsom Salt, particularly the eucalyptus. And I see the eucalyptus or spearmint one, and then they have the lavender one, and then the melatonin one. They have a whole bunch of them, but I love that. It just makes me feel so relaxed. I also have a spa pillow that put some candles on, get some nice, just soft music. It has to be instrumental because I don't want a lot of words. I just want to be in my thoughts. I want to relax. I just want to take some time to unwind, and my spa pillow and my Epsom salt and my nice warm bath and a cool drink of water or my drink of my choice, like that is the best for me. So yeah, those are things that I include to upgrade my at-home spa experience. If there's things that you use to upgrade your life or your spa experience at home, whether that's if you're giving yourself a facial or you're taking a bath or just different things you do for your personal hygiene, I would love to hear it, so comment below. Also, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. While you're here, you might as well subscribe. And after you subscribe, take a look around and watch some other videos. I will have them linked down below. Once you subscribe, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. My videos typically go live on Tuesday and Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern time. But if you feel like I'm not going to remember that, just go ahead and hit the notification bell and hit subscribe. So yeah, thank you for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate your support. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.